and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Molly Sarambai, brings you the Salesian news across the globe.
Coming up next, Salesian News Asia Pacific. Hello folks, glad to have you join us for the 135th episode of Salesian News Asia Pacific. I'm your host RJ Brand of Radio Salesian 90.8 FM, the voice of the hills, the first community radio of Don Bosco Asia since 2016. This show is brought to you by Church Art Kolkata, the church decor people. India, Salesian sisters dedicate shrine to Saint Mary Mazzarello. Sister Lydia Komhura from Guwahati, Assam gives the details.
8 December 2022 marked the opening of centenary year of the presence of Salesian sisters in Northeast India at St. Mary's School, Guwahati, with the hoisting of centenary flag and dedication of the shrine of Saint Mary Mazzarello, co-founders of the institute. Archbishop John Mulachira of Guwahati presided the dedication Eucharist in the presence of Provincial Alfonso Kurisingal, heads of 38 FMA centers, other dignitaries and collaborators of the Salesian sisters. After the Eucharistic celebration, the novices of the province gave a brief presentation on the life of Saint Mary Mazzarello. The six pioneers, namely Sister Innocenza Valino, Sister Giulia Berra, Sister Maria Bricarello, Sister Clotilde Piano, Sister Antonietta Rossetti, and Sister Cecilia Daroit, arrived in Guwahati on 8 December 1923. The gigantic growth of today's educational mission in the Northeast had its humble beginnings in a dilapidated cottage in the premises of Don Bosco Pan Bazar, Guwahati.
Sister Lydia Komhura reporting. India, 42 first professions, 45 final professions for MSMHC sisters. Sister VG John reports from Guwahati.
The Congregation of the Missionary Sisters of Mary, Help of Christians, MSMHC, celebrated the first profession of 42 novices on 8th December 2022 at St. Stephen's Convent, Tinsukia, Upper Assam, at a solemn Eucharistic celebration presided over by Bishop Nicholas Hembrom of Dibrugarh. These young girls, after 5 or more years of formative journey in the congregation, decided to consecrate their life for the Lord. On the same day, at a Little Flower Convent, Hathigaon, 45 junior sisters made their final vows. After 6 years of their first profession, at a solemn celebration presided over by Archbishop John Mulachira of Guwahati. MSMHC sisters, founded by Venerable Salesian Bishop Stephen Ferrando in 1942, have some 1,330 sisters belonging to 6 provinces, 1 delegation and 1 sub-delegation working in India and abroad.
Sister VG John reporting. India, 2 Salesians receive awards on International Human Rights Day. Brother Banhun Langlingdo reports.
While Principal of Don Bosco Technical Institute, Okhla, New Delhi, Brother C.J. Tom received 2022 Global Human Rights Protection Award from Indian Institute of Human Rights, New Delhi. Director of Radio Salesian Father C.M. Paul was conferred with 12th International Human Rights Award for his contribution to peace with media reforms by the Delhi-based All India Council of Human Rights, Liberties and Social Justice on 10th December 2022. Calcutta Province Father Paul is currently working as Vice Principal Sciences at Salesian College, Siliguri, and Director of Radio Salesian, Darjeeling. Prior to this award, Father Paul received recognition for outstanding contribution to media at an event marking 75 years of India's independence held at Indian Council for Cultural Relations in Kolkata on 8 September 2022. Former director of Salesian news agency Rome, Father Paul, is also recipient of a Media at the Service of the Gospel Award from International Catholic Film Festival Warsaw, Poland in 2010 and John Barrett Best Reporter Award from Indian Catholic Press Association in 2008, as well as Ambassadors of Jesus Award Calcutta for Outstanding Media Priest in 2006.
Brother Banhun Lang Lingdo reporting. You are listening to Salesian News on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Sonada, Darjeeling. India Salesian Centenary Wave hits Bengaluru. Northeast Youth Explode. Kangba Talung William of Maram, Manipur reports from Bangalore.
As Northeast India concluded the centenary celebrations marking the arrival of the first batch of Salesians in Shillong, Bangalore hosted a mega centenary youth fest for young people from the Northeast India, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura, including Sikkim and Darjeeling, living in Bangalore. The day-long fest was held at Christu Jyoti College, Bengaluru on 4th December 2022. Some 600 Northeastern youth who study or work in Bengaluru participated. The event was organized under the leadership of Father T.C. George, SDB, with the support of BCCM, Bangalore Christian Community of Meghalaya, and the Northeastern students of Christu Jyoti College. Events of the day started with hour-long praise and worship, confessions and Holy Eucharist, presided over by Salesian Archbishop Emeritus Thomas Menamparambil of Guwahati. After lunch, 3-hour cultural extravaganza followed. The Bangalore Christian Community of Meghalaya Ministry was started in 2006.
Kangba Talung William reporting. East Timor, 22 novices take first vows. 26 young men join novitiate. Father Jolino Vieira reports from Fatumaka.
On the 8th December 2022, Superior of East Timor Vice Province, Father Anacleto Pires, presided over the Eucharistic celebration, during which 22 young Salesians made their first profession. Among them, 21 were clerics and one was a Salesian lay brother. On the same day, the Master of Novices of Fatumaka, Father Isaias Bonifacio, received 26 new novices. The East Timor Vice Province of St. Callisto Caravaggio was canonically established in 2018.
Father Jolino Vieira reporting. Philippines Economer General visits Salesian Brothers Training Center. Brother Elvino Pereira reports from Manila.
The Economer General of the Congregation since 2010, Brother John Paul Mueller, made an invitation visit to the Philippines North Malaysia Province, PHIN, especially Manila. Brother Paul gave also a conference to the Salesian Brothers in a specific formation community at the Blessed Stephen Sander community in Parañaque. In his conference, Brother Mueller highlighted the identity of the Salesian brother, who is working closely and directly with the lay people as our mission partners, and also is very close to the young people in his ministry. He stressed that Salesian brothers usually serve in specific areas like schools and vocational training centers. He stressed that consecrated brother is different from the lay person in his consecrated identity and spirituality. Center Community Manila is one of 5 centers for Salesian brothers in specific formation in the whole congregation. Other 4 centers are in India, Mexico, Cameroon, and Spain.
Brother Elvino Pereira reporting.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.